Hello there everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will talk about what is happening right now in the crypto world. This is going to be the last video, yes, of 2023, and my next video will be in 2024. So what happened in this year and what is right now currently our trade positions and full scenario right there. So everything will be discussed, so let's get into the charts. So right now I'm on the crude oil daily time frame, and I hope you all remember that we took a trade right here from the bottom and got this whole move to the upside. So as I told you all that the next level of resistance after breaking out this important purple zone will be this important white zone, small resistance right here. Well, if we look closely, the price did perfectly, came all the way up till here. Just some pips I would say was missing, but I mostly, when I noticed that this bearish candle has been formed, I immediately knew that it can be a tweezer top pattern, and I booked all of my profits here only. So I closed my trade here only, rest of the running trade, and well, overall I am in huge profits in this trade, and all my previous losses are recovered too. So this is the perfect analysis. And yeah, there are sometimes that you draw a level and the price, I would say, just comes near it and then reverses. So be prepared to close your trade if it is going against you, and hold as much as you can. Whenever you see something indication or analysis like it can reverse in the opposite direction and you can be in loss, then it's better to close your trade. So coming to the DYDX chart, and I hope you remember, if you watched my previous short video on DYDX where I discussed that when the price of DYDX give a huge breakout of this important purple zone to the upside, then I decided to go long on DYDX here, because I knew that if the price comes all the way down till here, giving a retest, making this zone as a support, then I will enter. And I did entered all the way up till here, and my take profit is right now 4.382, and we can clearly see a bearish candle is there, but I'm still holding my trade. And if this trade goes against me and again for the third time I occurred loss in DYDX, it's okay, because this time I've entered with small, I would say, balance, so I don't care, because already I made a good amount of profits from other trades in other assets too. So this is my DYDX rate right now, 2.808 is the stop loss. Let's see what happens. This is hook USDT chart, and I am discussing it once again because I hope you all remembered that we entered in a hook USDT long trade over here when the price did a breakout, and because it was in a parallel channel sideways and it did a breakout to the upside, I entered over here at this bearish candle right here when it was giving a retest. I entered over here and my first take profit was all the way up till here. Perfect target again met. My second take profit was till here, but as soon as I saw this wick to the downside, I immediately knew that okay, this profit has been met, but I don't think that there are chances that the price can continue at this level. So I put my stop loss here, because if the price reverses down, still my stop loss will get hit and I will book my profits too. And the same thing happened, my stop loss got hit here, but that was a perfect stop loss because my entry price was here, and whenever the entry price is below the stop loss, so if your stop loss gets triggered also, you will book profits only. So in this trade also, perfect analysis, we entered over here, booked all the way up till here, and right now I'm discussing it because the hook's price is at a very important purple support zone right here from 1.1571 to, I would say, approx 1.1712. This is a very important support zone for hook, and as you can clearly see, a doji is right now forming. Can be a morning star candle. I will wait for its closing. I won't, I would say, take a decision and enter right now. I will wait. If this candle becomes green or somewhat other confirmation I get, I will definitely go long as well again on hook, because as we can clearly see, price of book did a pump and then sideways and then gave a huge pump. You can clearly see the pressure of buyers in this week. Yes, sellers acquired this candle, but still there was a lot of pressure. And right now I would say the price is coming for a correction after impulse, and let's see what happens. Maybe a next impulsive move to the upside can come. Do follow me on my Twitter. I will share my trade updates there when I'm going entry in a long or a short on any asset. So do follow me there. I will make a video too, but on Twitter I can share my live updates. Talking about the Bitcoin one last time in 2023, well, after this huge pump and right now it is sideways only. I would say no one is buying or selling right now because it's Christmas and New Year time. All the investors are right now already booked a lot of profits here, greedy investors I would say. And yeah, right now it is sideways only, not much any move. And as I already told you, if it comes near this zone and shows any reversal sign, I will definitely go long, or if the price of Bitcoin breaks this zone to the upside, I will go long too. So I would say nothing much about Bitcoin right now. I will be very happy if Bitcoin shows any setup according to my analysis, and I will be sharing my trade updates and everything, my profits, live PNL on my Twitter. So do follow me, or else you are missing a lot of things. And Bitcoin is sideways, not much in this last couple of days of 2023 I would expect. Let's see what happens next year. Book USDT, one more trade can come in the, I would say, in some hours, if it shows and works according to my setup as I have discussed in my video. Also talking about DYDX, and this is the third trade on DYDX. Let's see how it goes, and if it reverses and goes against me, still it's okay. I've already made a lot of money trading in other assets. And crude oil trade, perfect from the bottom to the, I would say, from the bottom to the top, and perfect profits booked. I would say a small, I would say pip percentage was left in my second target, but it's okay. We learned something that it's not always important to, for the price, that it will go to our level. Sometimes it reverses early also. So be ready at that time, and be ready and just put your stop loss near it, so that trail your stop loss I would say, so that if the price goes against you, still you will be in profits. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you want to trade crypto, then you can do that on Bybit. It's the easy platform to trade crypto. You can create an account for free. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments. You can get up to $30,000 gift too. And if you want to trade Forex, stocks, commodities, or any other thing, you can do that on Xness. Link of Xness is also in the description and in the pinned comments. Free account, and you can get up to $1,000 bonus too. So yes guys, this is it, and I'll see you guys in 2024.